Alright, so here's the million-dollar question. Should I buy that shiny new car, or invest the money instead? Let's break it down, real quick. Say I've got $30,000 burning a hole in my pocket. If I buy a new car, what really happens? Well, the second I drive it off the lot, its value drops by about 10%, that's $3,000. Gone. Each year it keeps losing value, so after 5 years, it's probably worth about half what I paid for it. Ouch. But what if I invest that same $30K? Let's say I put it in an index fund that averages 7% returns a year. In 5 years my $30,000 could grow to around $42,000. That's a $12,000 gain, while the car would have lost $15,000 in value. Now I get it, sometimes you need a car to get to work, or, to flex a little. But if you're just thinking about upgrading because everyone else is maybe hold up, investing early has this magical snowball effect. Your money earns money, and then that money earns even more. So here's my take. If a car is essential, buy something reliable and used. Put the rest to work in investments. Your future self will thank you, trust me. Think about what you really need and let your money do the heavy lifting. Should you buy a car or invest? Honestly, your bank account already knows the answer.